Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my another video, and it's a very good place for everyone, and it's a afternoon time, and also today is holiday in our country, and this field is full of the people. One side of this field, young people are playing football, and another side, like beside the river, lot of some good a number of boots of our party boots have seated here, and they are taking a rest, and also they are making enjoy your hearing the sound of those. And also there is a group who are playing here who came from another districts here, and this is one of the biggest field in our own union. And also this is field is very gorgeous, and beside people are playing football, I also indicating here. And also it's one of the isolating area. You can easily get this area, and you will get here all of these things, and you can easily take rest and make your mind fresh. And I love this place because I come nowadays every day this ground, and this ground is very beautiful, and especially I came here to enjoy football match. Although I'm not a football player, or I can't play football properly actually, but the environment in this area of this ground is absolutely super and absolutely beautiful. Behind me are seeing two children are playing, or cyclists they are doing on this ground. So like this, a lot of things are available here, and I hope if you are living this country, especially in village, you feel this greatness. Obviously you feel this greatness, and this country is full of the enjoyment and beautiful natures, and I like this ground. I hope this short video must help you to understand the growth of my like beautiful nature in the afternoon time, and it must help you to make your develop your speaking, and also enhance your pronunciation, and keep practicing, keep learning. I will come the next video with very soon new area. Goodbye for that time.